Hi, let's continue by creating our grid style. So we are going to create the Bootstrap grid style. So Bootstrap is the most popular grid out there when it comes to creating UI interfaces. So let's pick the frame and let's start by selecting the iPhone frame, and here we are going to create the layout grid for our mobile screen. So let's go to layout grids, hit plus and select columns. Let's give it 4 columns and center for the type, 60 for the width and 30 for the gutter. Next, let's save our style, Bootstrap mobile, create style. Next, let's pick a desktop frame. Here in desktop, pick desktop. Again, go to layout grid and columns, give it 12 columns and type center, 60 width and 30 for the gutter. That's great. Next, let's save our grid, hit plus, bootstrap desktop, create style. Okay, as you can see here in the sidebar, my 2 grid style has been created, and that's about it for our styles. Next, we are going to start by creating our first components. Thanks, and I will see you in the next lesson.